RKA has a new kit on the block, the GD89PRO, an entry-level drone that's pretty cool. Here's the controller. Not a lot of buttons, pretty easy to figure out. Have my iPhone X attached to it. Here's its big brother, the GD91 Max. And that's connected to an iPhone 6. Both of them are ready to rock and roll. We're going to go through the process of loading up the iPhone, the camera. So we're going to turn the unit on. We're going to turn the controller on. We're going to control the unit. I'm going to turn the unit on. There you see the GD89PRO. Now we're connected to that. We're going to start the app. Here's the app. So now we have the camera loaded, the Wi-Fi loaded, and we're ready to go. The GD89PRO, we're going to take it for a little test ride. This is its big brother, the GD91 Max. That's the controller for the GD91. This is the controller for the GD89PRO. So one touch, and it's landed. I'm going to head and launch the drone. So right now, I'm going to lower the drone down a little bit. And I'm going to turn it around and point it at me. There we go. Try to get it to back up a little bit. Okay, it is now pointing directly at me. I'm going to raise it up a little bit.